This one's butter chicken veggie on rice, lentil curry and rice.
Ka hua noa pea te kai o te tīna ki te kura o Haeata mō tēnei rā.
There you go.
Engari, e ai ki te tumua ki a Peggy Burrows, he tino haunga te kai o te tīna Inanahi, a kapi katoa i te pōhekaheka.
On no level is it acceptable, and the problem is that we went into this program and we were grateful for government intervention with lunches, but it's a food security issue.
Ka whiwhi ngā tauira o te kura o Haeata i ngā tīna i ngā kura i a rā i te taha o te kamupene o waho a Campus Group e whakarato ana i ngā tīna ki te 12,000 o ngā tauira puta noa i Aotearoa. A hei tā Burrows, kua tukuna ke ngā tīna pōhekaheka ki ētahi tauira i te wā, i hina atore ai rātou he hapa kei reira.
We're encouraged to make sure that staff eat with the students whenever they can. So one of our staff members picked up a lunch, went and sat in the cafe, pulled off the lid, and what she was confronted with was something that was almost putrefied and completely covered in mould and reeked, absolutely reeked. So we quickly went and had a look at the waste, and there were some containers in there. Most of the food was still in the containers. Some of the containers had had a bit of a nibble, and one of them had been eaten completely.
Because of yesterday, I have to open them and double check them, make sure they're safe.
No te tau 2023 i whakaaetia te kura ki te tauira a roto o ngā tīna i ngā kura a kāora ka ako e te mana tūmātauranga, a e whakaahei ana tēnei i ngā kura ki te waihanga ake i o rātou tahua kai me te whakarite i ngā kai mō ngā tauira. E ai ki te kai whāngai tīna a Anita Jesset, kei te rite tonu rātou ki te whakatutuki i tēnei.
So we have an awesome kitchen. Yeah, we could do it ourselves.
We had staff available. We have an industrial kitchen, a commercial kitchen and a cafe, and a community that wanted that. Suddenly it changed, and we were told by the ministry that we were part of the Campus Group's contract and that we would not be able to provide it ourselves. And so of course I'm an agent of the government and of the ministry. We just said yes, and we did as we were asked.
Engari kāore I mutu te kōrero i te mea I whakaia Burrows, kua tīmata anō rātou I ngā whiriwhiringa hei whakatika I tēnei take.
We've been having informal conversations with the ministry about hopefully next year in 2026 being able to bring it on site. This happened in the midst of those conversations. So I am hoping that at least we perhaps will have a fair hearing when we make yet another application to do it on site, because I'm very sure that we would be able to do it well and safely.
Ko tā Burrows, I tino pouri a Campus Group ki te rongo I ēnei kōrero, kua tino mahi ngātahi rātou, ā ka tukuna mai e rātou he ripoata. Hei a pōpō, ka kawe a Burrows te ripoata ki te puari kura hei whakatika I tēnei take. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
There you go.